Receive $4 for each email you open. Emails may be a terrific tool for connecting with business contacts, and many people have been generating money with emails for a while now. But did you ever imagine that simply opening emails may bring in cash? You can make up to $120 a day, and that might just be a possibility. Right now. This is one of the simplest methods to make money online, and I'll show you how to automate these revenues so that you may earn money passively in addition to a lot of money. Make sure to watch every single second of this video so you don't miss out on anything. Now, without further ado, this is something everyone can do without spending a single dime of their own money, and you can accomplish it in practically every country in the world. Let me first explain what you will do before I begin the first step. I'm going to demonstrate a web-based service that anyone can use. This service will start sending you a ton of different emails as soon as you sign up. All you have to do is read them. There are no restrictions on the amount of money you can make. The emails won't stop coming once you start receiving them, I assure you. You are not required to have any qualifications or proof. Additionally, you don't have to request approval. No matter where you are, you may start making money as soon as you sign up for our service. The initial step is to open Google, enter a verb, and then press enter. You can access the website where you can make money by clicking the very first link you see. You may make money here on this website by reading emails. You don't even need to leave your bedroom or pay a dime or sign up for anything. You can access the internet with a phone, tablet, laptop, or essentially any other device. You will be paid by this website for each and every email you read. You will get compensated for reading emails, whether you read 1 or a million. We're going to earn a lot more money from this video than simply that. Absolutely no delays occur. Additionally, this website offers a referral program through which you can receive commissions. There are 6 tiers of commissions, with the first level paying you 100%. These commissions aren't available anyplace else on the internet. More than 12,000 users have already registered for this website, which is still a small number for this kind of service. And since you don't have to worry about the competition, that's even better for you. The earlier you register on this website, the more money you could possibly make. I'll get to how you can make money from this website in just a moment. But first, I need you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Therefore, you need definitely set up a new email account before registering for this website. Don't only use your regular email for critical correspondence. This website will send you emails on a daily basis, which can clog up your inbox. For this reason, you should merely create a new email account and join up for our website rather than using your existing one. Therefore, simply open a new tab, go to gmail.com, and choose the bottom option to create an account. Simply fill out the form with all of your information, including your first and last names, login, and password. As stated, your email address will also be your username. Click Next once you finish entering all of your information. Click Next once again after entering your recovery email, phone number, birth date, and gender. You will get a new Gmail account once you have completed everything. Just keep in mind that you must definitely register a new Gmail account and not use your primary email address. It will greatly simplify your situation. Simply return to the Volutic website, click the green Register button in the center of the page, and fill out the form. Your username, email, and password are included in this. Accept the terms of service after that. Go to the email you used to register for the website and click on the first email issued by Volutic before selecting Register. Click on the blue line inside the email after you've opened it. Your account on Volutic will be created once you've completed that. You have the potential to make up to $120 per day, as we have already mentioned. The amount of time you have simply determines everything. You see, this website will send you a ton of emails each day, and all you have to do is open and read them. There is absolutely no cost to you. Make sure to check your spam folder because some emails you get might wind up there. Then, when you discover one, click on the 3 dots to the right of the email and drag it out of the spam folder. When you take those steps, those emails won't ever get into the spam folder. I'll also share with you a terrific technique about automating your income. Your inbox will eventually be overflowing with emails from this website of all shapes and sizes. It will be quite tedious to click through each one at a time. You can simply click on all of them automatically in place of doing that. You don't need to download any strange software or anything of the sort, so don't worry. All of stuff is possible on the Gmail website. All of your received emails will be visible if you simply visit your Gmail inbox. Just double check to see if your spam folder contains any further emails. Then simply select Mark All as Read. Google will read the previous 50 emails you've sent and received right away. You should do this about every few hours to prevent email pileup. It's quite simple. Overall, this is a very unbelievably easy way to quickly make a large sum of money. There are no restrictions on how much money you can make each week, month, or year. Additionally, you are not required to wait a specific amount of time before being paid or to read a specific quantity of emails every day. Additionally, there are other payment options available, including direct bank transfer and PayPal. The best thing is that you can make money from any location in the world, including the USA, Philippines, Nigeria, Brazil, Uganda, India, and South Africa. Just be sure to adhere to every instruction I provided in this video. The video has come to an end. Have you got any inquiries? Tell us in the comments section below. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more just like it. I'll see you in the next video.